There's good things and bad things about both. Of course, bicycle are going to be just very fast. You're going to be passing through everyone. They're going to be pissed off. Camino de Santiago is a pilgrimage route all the way to this cathedral in Santiago de Compostela, which is in Spain. It's a great challenge for your body and for your mind. What you need beforehand, your passport for pilgrim to get your Compostela at the end, which is your certificate. During your path, you're going to find many albergues where you can stay. It's also very cheap because from 2 euros to 10 euros, I believe. They were gonna give you a sticker during the path, not only in albergues, but also in some stores that you will find during your way to Santiago de Compostela. You need to get 2 stamps per day, so they know that you're doing the Camino de Santiago. You can also do many ways. There's many paths. Every path is beautiful. You should also plan ahead, know which route you're gonna take, which stops you might have to make, where you're gonna sleep. You can decide either to go alone or with your friends. If you are going alone, of course, there's gonna be more risk. I got injured. I just felt it after I stopped. My left leg is not working properly, but I got some gel in the pharmacy. If you get injured by any chance, it's better if you have someone to help you out right away. If not, for sure you're gonna have your phone. This is a good tool for everything. Sometimes maybe you're not gonna have a signal, so yes, it's always better to have someone, but if you're not afraid, if you're like me, like to go alone, WWE Heavyweight Champion of the World! It's gonna be amazing journey either way. If you're going by walk, get some hiking shoes, proper socks for the blisters, cream for your feet, for your blisters after you walk, and of course travel light. For the bike, first get your bike in good conditions, a wind brake, get some good sunglasses. The wind is always gonna come to your eyes. It's super important that you are protecting your eyes, or else your eyes gonna be dry the whole time. Also, get those shorts with the pillow. It's gonna hurt either way. Balls already so smashed. It's painful. Get some comfortable seat and cushion in your shorts. Get yourself a bag with extra stuff for your bike in case you get a burst on your tire. So now, the difference between the Camino. The bad things about walking is gonna take much more time to see stuff. It's gonna be beautiful, but of course it's gonna take longer time to see things. It also is gonna be worse for your feet, because the blisters is a pain in the ass. In this case, a pain in the feet. The worst part in bicycle, because you're going so fast, you're going to have less time to be in touch with other people. Yes, you're gonna meet some while you're stopping, eating, sleeping, you're gonna talk with them. You're not gonna have the same contact, which can be good or bad, depends on you. And there's never too much time to reflect. It's also a bit more dangerous, because you're going through the mountainside of all these countries. If you're not physically prepared, it can be really tough. I was just in a path that I needed to take my bike through the hills, through the rocks. Sometimes I go down this, I'm so happy that I was going down, and then I took the fucking wrong route. It's so fucking steep, and I'm fucking taking this bicycle with me. After a couple of hours, I was like, oh my god, I'm so tired and I need to do this now. Another bad part about the bike is you kind of always looking in your way to see if there's rocks or something like that. Dangerous dog. Dangerous. Are you dangerous? No. Hey, so cute. Oy, 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 oy. It's gonna hurt your bones. With the days going through, it's gonna get a little bit better. The first day is gonna hurt. My bones on the butt. Oh my god. It's painful. Okay, this I believe is the bad parts about both. Yeah, let's go to the good part. So walking is gonna be so much slower, much more peaceful, a lot of time for you to reflect, a lot of time for you to be in contact with other people, and overall it's just an incredible journey through the nature, through the jungle. It's a very peaceful and beautiful journey. And it's a wonderful day, just as yesterday. My bike is a different challenge, mostly physical. I've been pedaling for 9 hours. I cannot do it any longer. Wasn't gonna do this anymore. I don't wanna be the reason why. I'm so tired. There's an incredible feeling of freedom, and there's also a lot of adrenaline. After you go so many hours, you're pushing yourself going up, and then you see this huge ramp through the nature. Such an amazing feeling. Good part also is you're going faster, so you see much more in one day that you would see if you're walking. It's never boring, there's always something happening. If you don't have much time, it's a very good option to do it by bike. About the food, when I was walking, I didn't really care too much about what I ate. I could eat like big piece of meat, big lunch, big dinner. By bike, I was much more careful. Protein, carbs, I wasn't eating a big lunch or a big dinner because I didn't want to be full for my journey. At the end of both, me personally, I enjoyed the path by bike. Both of them are an amazing journey, very different because when you're walking you have much more time to reflect, much more time to be in touch with other people. Bike is much more adrenaline, physical challenge, less contact with other people. You're gonna see much more things at the same time. You should try something like this. You're gonna be in nature, you're gonna be thinking about your life, you're gonna be more in touch with yourself, with other humans. It's gonna be an amazing spiritual journey. Dark paths, rain, fire, snow, all the other things. But we finally see it. And the journey is now over. I hope you liked it. If you are enjoying, watch this video here, and also please subscribe right here. I would be very happy if you did. And thanks so much for watching. Much love.